Guys, what's up? This is Prachi and in today's video I'm going to try out a basic teeth whitening routine using a teeth whitening toothpaste. So this is day one and here's how my teeth are looking right now. So I do take good care of my teeth, but they just tend to yellow very easily. And here's the problem with it. When you get all dressed up and the makeup and everything is in place, under the bright red lipstick, when yellow teeth starts to peek out, it just makes me a little uncomfortable, to be honest. So I'm gonna try out some teeth whitening this week and share the results with you all to see how it works. So just keep watching this video, guys, to find out. Alright guys, welcome to day 2 of the experiment. By the way, throughout the course of this experiment, I will not be trying out any DIYs because I really want to see how this experiment works and whether it helps my teeth or not, right? Also guys, DIYs are time consuming, they are a lot of effort, whereas this is actually a very simple solution. It's very easy. Now, I know a lot of you will want to know that which toothpaste I'm using. It's a very obvious question. So the answer is Colgate Visible White. It's very well known to be extremely safe on the enamel, and I really wanted to use something which, like a well-known brand and something which I can trust. So as you can see, it even says here it's enamel safe. I thought this would be the perfect fit. So this is how my teeth is looking as on today, which is day 2. Let me know in the comment section below if you see any difference. I will be giving you another update very soon in just a couple of days. So guys, welcome to day 5 of the experiment. There is so much I want to share with you all today. This is so exciting, guys. Do you see my teeth? The difference is actually visible. My teeth is a lot whiter now. And there's so many things that I'm noticing. And of course, the toothpaste, right? It helps in fighting cavities, of course. It also helps in keeping your teeth polished. It gives you a nice minty, fresh breath. So throughout the day, it just feels more hygienic. It feels cleaner and the breath is nice and fresh. Did you know, guys, Colgate Visible White is a toothpaste, by the way, which also helps in fighting additional stain molecules from forming on the surface of your teeth. So you actually can see, right, the difference. Your teeth looks whiter and less yellow with time. So there are so many things I want to tell you guys. It's extra important to be very careful that you're not too harsh on your teeth, right? The toothpaste which I'm using, it actually contains whitening accelerators which helps to exfoliate your teeth. And I'm very happy with how this experiment is turning out to be. So I will give you one final update after the last day of the experiment. So yeah, guys, don't go anywhere. Just keep watching. And guys, 7 days are over and time for the final verdict. So let me show you how my teeth was looking on day 1 and here's how my teeth is looking now after 7 days of doing this experiment. This before after clip is so amazing. It's so satisfying to see this before after clip, So if you are also planning to take up this experiment, guys, do take a picture on day 1 and then take a picture on the final day, because then you'll be able to really see the difference very visibly. Personally, I really enjoyed this experiment because, let's be honest, teeth whitening can be such a hassle sometimes, right? Let me know in the comment section below if you try it out for yourself or if you would want me to try out any such experiments again with something else. I would love to get some video ideas from you guys, of course. And as for the toothpaste that I'm using, of course, guys, using the right toothpaste is very important because you want to be gentle, but you want the method to be effective as well, right? So everybody knows about Colgate Visible White, of course, but if you want to know more, I'll still put the link in the description box below. You can also make your purchase online using that link. And yes, guys, that's all I wanted to share in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like to this video, subscribe to this channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to SuperWowStyle for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye.